Here they have shown the exploitative nature of whaling and revenge. It was a revenge story of Ahab. Due to previous encounter, Ahab lost his own left leg, and that's why he was determined that now I am going to kill this whale. Whenever he lost his leg, he has not made up any leg which is from wooden, but he has made a leg from the jaw, from the bone of whale, and this is how he is taking revenge towards this whale. He was very sure to kill this whale. Only the name Moby Dick make him furious. Only the images of Moby Dick make him very furious, very angry on the ship. The symbols used by Pickford. The Pickford symbolizes as a doom, because Elijah has already said that whosoever will go to Pickford will meet his or her own death. Why? Because he has already said that Pickford and Ahab both are going to meet their own death within the very soon days. Moby Dick symbolizes humankind's inability to understand the world. World is not smaller one. World is not very short. To understand world, one person who is normal one is not easy thing. It's not anyone's cup of tea to understand the nature fully, and that's why Moby Dick is not a subject to get an understanding. That's why we are seeing many myths related to Moby Dick. Someone says someone says it is just a whale. Someone says it is with divine power. Someone says it is with malicious power, but nobody can understand it fully. Quick coffin symbolizes life and death both. Generally, if we see, what coffin symbolizes is death only. But here in the novel, two times quick coffins have saved the life of two persons. Earlier, when Testego falls in the sea, Quick's coffin have saved his life. Later on, at the end, when all the crew members have drowned, all have sunk, the only thing or the only object which saved the life of Ismail is coffin, the wooden coffin, which symbolizes death. So here Melville has harmonized two contradicted objects over here, that is life and death, that is coffin and savior. Themes are like conflict between good and evil. Sometime we can see that Ahab was good, Ahab was evil. Sometime we can see that fish was good, fish was evil. But nobody of us can decide it, because it depends on the perception of us that who was good and who was evil. It is a kind of circumstances where we cannot decide who is devil, who is good, who is godlike, who is evil like. Another theme which we can say is to solve the mysteries of universe. Many mysteries are over there in the world, and Moby Dick is one of the mystery. And this is how Ahab has determined, Ahab has confirmed to solve the mystery called Moby Dick. And this is how it symbolizes that many persons who goes to solve the different kind of mysteries of the world, but sometime fate gives him a hand, sometime fate does not play the good role with them, and that's how they meet the death at the end. It is a voyage into human mind also. It is not only the voyage in the sea, it is the voyage into human mind. What to do, how to do, whom to kill. And many a times in our mind we see such situation that something like Moby Dick is going on in our mind and something like Ahab is going on in our mind. It's like two contradicted thoughts. And who is superior one? One says I will superior, other says I'll be superior. And this conflicts of a mind will always shows us and will always end with the death of single thought. If we look at the other symbols of Ahab and Moby Dick, who is Ahab? Ahab is the person who has determined that I am going to kill this whale, and white whale symbolized good or bad that we will have to decide after reading the story, because sometimes some people says it is a good omen, sometimes some says it is a destructive one, a voracious whale which killed each and everyone. Whereas Ismail, the narrator of the story, is of the belief that whale is nothing more than a natural entity, a sea creature, and whosoever goes to his own kingdom, sea is a kind of kingdom for whale, and whosoever will try to rule over the sea, Moby Dick will not going to leave that person. It is a conflict between good and bad too, because we cannot say Ahab is completely bad character and we cannot say whale is completely bad character. Ahab is on the revenge, very firm, very sure, a kind of hero, but there are no characteristics, or very few characteristics of hero are there in the Ahab. There are some symbolism about white whale too, that white whale symbolizes devils of the world, evils of the world, and few person are always in search of these devils for their personal revenge, for the welfare of society and everything. Many other biblical references also we have taken in Moby Dick. Okay. This is how we can see that the story of Moby Dick, themes of Moby Dick, different kind of characters of Moby Dick, and symbolism in the Moby Dick. Here I would like to conclude my lecture of Moby Dick by Herman Melville. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Sandhan, All Gujarat Integrated Classroom.
સેટેલાઇટના માધ્યમથી જોડતી કડી એટલે સંધાન.